Back home now after losing in last year's final, St. Catherine CC went one better in beating Melbourne CC by 131 runs in the JCA Michael Holding Senior Cup final at Sabina Park on Sunday. After bowling out Melbourne for 142 to take a 29-run first innings lead, St. Catherine went on to make 237 batting a second time. Carlos Brown made a 64 to go with his first innings score of 91. Opener Kevin Letman made an even 50, while Kenar Lewis chipped in with 39. Abjayman Singh was the best of the Melbourne bowlers with 4 for 51, and he was supported by Matthew Comrie, who grabbed 3 for 65. Now set 267 to win and end a 7-year drought, Melbourne fell apart cheaply for 135. Left arm finger spinner Javor Royal was again the tormentor with the ball as he claimed 5 for 46 for a 13-wicket haul in the match. Kimani Wilson with 32 and captain Javel Glenn 29 were the main scorers for Melbourne.
I mean, we played eight session, and I think St. Catherine won 7. So I think we played some brilliant cricket. I think Carlos Brown, he turned up for the final with his brilliant 90 something in the first innings, and he backed that up with a 50 something in the second innings. Also Kevin Letman, I think he played out of character. He bat long, he scored a half-century second innings, and he bat well for first innings. So
we lost the finals, but to be honest, I'm very proud of the boys because we haven't been to a Senior Cup final since 2019. So we're grateful. We didn't lift the trophy. All is not over, but I believe in the boys, and I know that we have good things in store at the Melbourne Oval.
Now, this year's final was played over 3 days, a decision JCA's first Vice President, Fritz Harris, says was done to ensure that the final was properly decided.
You should not have a final running out of time for it to be properly decided. And that is what happened last year. A decision was taken then that come this year would extend the finals from 2 days to 3 days. And I think the cricket over the last two and a half days showed that it was a good decision. The teams executed pretty well. There are obviously areas that we would have loved to see better, but you know, it's a start.